Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use long-lasting spray. First, prepare your surface by ensuring it is completely clean, dry, and free from any dust or grease. Next, protect any surrounding areas you do not wish to spray using drop cloths or painter's tape. Finally, shake the spray can vigorously for at least 1 full minute after the mixing ball begins to rattle, ensuring the contents are well mixed for optimal performance. Now, let's master the application technique. Hold the spray can approximately 8 to 12 inches away from your project surface. Apply the spray in several thin, even coats, moving the can steadily from side to side. Avoid applying one thick layer, as this can lead to drips. Overlap each pass by about 1/3 to ensure consistent and complete coverage across the entire area. Proper drying is crucial for a durable finish. Allow 10 to 15 minutes of drying time between each thin coat you apply. If you need multiple coats, apply them within 1 hour or wait at least 24 hours to avoid wrinkling. The spray will be dry to the touch in about 30 minutes, but the finish will fully cure and harden over the next 24 to 48 hours, depending on humidity. To ensure your spray lasts and performs well, remember these maintenance tips. After each use, invert the can and spray for about 2 seconds to clear the nozzle, preventing clogs. Store the can upright in a cool, dry place, away from direct sunlight or extreme temperatures. With proper application and care, your long-lasting spray finish can provide excellent durability for many years to come.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.